it smells ripe in here, doesn't it?
It is a righteous smell. It is the smell of gods farting.
Yeah, we are at Wai-O-Tapu? Waiiotapu?
Waiatapu Thermal Area is part of a scenic reserve covering 18 square kilometers with the largest surface volume of thermal activity. It was formed 160,000 years ago. Limit of 10 people on platform at any time.
One.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Wow.
Ooh. Wow, that's cool. Wow, those look awesome. You want to go hop in?
Yes, I do.
Take a bath?
That would be a very relaxing bath.
Very, very short bath.
Hot tub time machine. Oh my God, I'm back at the beginning of December. It's starting over.
Well, maybe 2020 will go right this time.
Hey, wouldn't that be great? That's some sulfury looking cave right there.
Yeah, it is.
Look, come over here. We can take our picture together in the cave. Hey!
I think that's boiling down there. Oh yeah, that's some boiling stuff down
You
there.
got some coffee?
These pools of mud contain unrefined crude oil. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, the sludge on the top of these pots was skimmed off to burn in kerosene lanterns.
Sulfur fog. Sulfur fog.
Definitely see the water and the red
Oh, yeah.
along it. It's amazing colors. Serious sulfur. Reminds me of that little chemistry kit we had as kids. You know, had
Yep.
sulfur in it. You create chemistry experiments. I think we did the volcano with sulfur.
I didn't play as much with the chemistry.
I just used what I had, which was all left over from brothers.
Poor girl.
Wow.
So how do you get down there?
That's on the way out.
Oh.
That is creepy. Dude just put his hand in it. What an
I
idiot.
don't get it.
What? I don't know what the heck that is. It's definitely an owl, but
Who told them?
oh, it's an owl up top too. A couple of owls. 3 owls.
The Kangaroo Forest.
Kaingaroa Forest, meaning a long way without food.
Uh-huh.
It's the largest man-made forest in the southern hemisphere.
I knew we should have brought food.
Ah, it's the Puke Whanariki.
Puke
Riki.
Whanariki.
Sulfur.
It's a sulfur cave.
Wow, look at the color. Very bright.
It's boiling. Turn the gas off.
Okay, we're hot. No. No, you don't want to go swimming in that. You don't want to go swimming in any of this water. Piece of artwork there. It's the lake. How green it is. I got just a little bit of rain coming in. It wouldn't be a day out because feeble corn's not a little rain.
It wouldn't be New Zealand.
Sounds pretty ominous.
It does.
I call that instant death. What do you call
One angry pool to rule them all. What?
it? It's pretty. Wow, yeah, green water. This pool has a pH of 2. It's 14 degrees Celsius. Do you like some candy?
Candy, huh? Looks like a Candy Crush pool.
Well, thanks for watching. Remember to find your dream and own it.
Safe travels, everyone. If you enjoyed our video, please click like and subscribe so that way you'll know when our new adventures are posted.